Okay, I wouldn't call it my structured refactoring technique because I stole most of it from Joshua Krajewski. But basically it's about instead of making one change and having a lot of code that doesn't compile and tests that don't run, instead you make many little changes towards the larger goal, basically. You try to keep your test green and your code compiling as much of the time as humanly possible. It's and when you do a mistake, and when you do large-scale refactorings, you will inevitably make mistakes. You will find out pretty soon, instead of waiting for hours and hours. Sometimes you have refactorings that go on for hours and hours, maybe days even. I've been in the red for 3 days one time, and that was horrible. I had no idea why it didn't work when I finally got it compiling again. But if you do this, then it's maybe you've done only 1 or 2 or 3 small changes, and then you basically know at once what caused this failure. So that's basically it, I guess. I really think that most people today are using some kind of agile development. And agile development dictates that we respond to change and we get requirements continuously instead of all of them in the beginning. And then it's really hard to make a design that will cater for all of those changes later. Then you would be psychic, right? So enable to incorporate that learning that you do about your domain into your code, you actually have to do refactoring. And if you're not good at refactoring, it can be hugely time-consuming and really hard to sell. So some people might think it's really expensive to do refactoring, but I would claim it's more expensive not to do it. Because then you would have to hack around design limitations and stuff like that instead of incorporating your knowledge into your design, basically.